Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the launch of the new Leibinger coding and marking system. In recent years, we have successfully challenged the standards in CIJ technology again and again. Our overriding goal has been to eliminate the problems associated with conventional technologies, to develop cutting-edge coding and marking systems that offer our customers the greatest possible benefits, and to never stop inspiring them. We invite you to experience our new Leibinger coding and marking system today.
Every great idea begins with a clear starting point. Here lies the power of change, of innovation. A thought begins its journey, simple and ingenious, and the unimaginable becomes reality. Time and time again, we at Leibinger challenge the conventions of an entire industry and create solutions that are simpler, smarter, more intelligent. Introducing the new IQJET, the very first intelligent coding and marking system worldwide.
The new IQJET, the all-new standard for product coding and marking. This significant innovation is the result of our many years of in-depth application knowledge combined with advanced product engineering expertise. What's in it for you? Everything, and I mean everything, becomes easier, more efficient, and even more reliable than ever thought possible. To give our customers that great feeling of no longer having to worry about coding and marking their products. Because from now on, the Leibinger IQJET will be taking over. You'll immediately notice the IQJET's modern, timeless housing design with its large 10.1-inch capacitive touch display and its new print head, which now prints with up to 48 dots and up to 8 lines. But the real value is on the inside of the new IQJET, where 4 intelligence assistant systems work together to solve the main challenges of product coding and marking much more effectively than other available systems. IQ Print, Smart OS, Smart Efficiency, and Smart Care. Let's take a closer look. IQ Print ensures consistently good print quality as well as maximum availability of the IQJET. The unique nozzle seal not only closes the nozzle, but also the gutter and the ink return suction line, sealing them airtight. This creates a closed ink circuit, which is the prerequisite for automatic circulation of the ink within the entire system. This effectively prevents clogging in the ink circuit or ink drying in the print nozzles. The common problems associated with conventional CIJ or other coding and marking printers are now a thing of the past. Thanks to IQ Print, we can deliver an exceptionally reliable system with maximum availability. It starts up quickly when needed, without any of the usual ink spitting when starting the inkjet, and which, by the way, is the main cause of later contamination in the print head and quick deterioration of print quality. Thanks to the airtight sealing of the ink circuit during production breaks, a stable, pressurized inkjet can be built up already with the nozzle closed. Only when this inkjet is ready is the print nozzle opened and the printer can start. This keeps the print head clean right from the word go. And it means that neither the print head nor the circulation system need cleaning, not during startup or shutdown. In addition, we made the startup and shutdown 40% faster than before. But that's not all. IQ Print also guarantees the best print quality at all times, regardless of ambient conditions. IQ Print keeps the ink temperature in the print head precisely at the right level. At the same time, the ink viscosity is controlled. A separate ink mixing tank with a very small control volume combined with new control algorithms makes viscosity control much more dynamic and therefore much faster and more accurate than with conventional CIJ printers. With IQ Print, you no longer have to worry about print quality. The IQJET prints in the very best quality immediately after startup and continues to do so until the end of production or even around the clock. Costly production rejects or complaints are quite simply a thing of the past. Now let's move on to the second intelligent assistant, Smart OS. This function is responsible for the intuitive operating system, as well as the ease with which the IQJET can be integrated into the production environment. Let's take a closer look. The new IQJET is operated via a large, high-resolution 10.1-inch touch display. Capacitive touch technology enables the same easy operation as with a smartphone, i.e. with swiping, drag and drop, or zooming. all extremely user-friendly. When developing the operating concept, we were guided by state-of-the-art standards. Based on decades of experience and inspired by the latest design thinking approaches, we rethought the operating logic and display from A to Z. Our goal was to make it possible for anyone to operate without needing a manual or extensive training. What exactly does this mean for the user? All essential production information is clearly displayed on the home screen, so the operator typically doesn't need to change the menu and can always work within the familiar home screen. The large, color-coordinated control elements make it easy to see the current printer status. The new remote screen is a case-dependent screensaver that displays the current status of the IQJET and the product counter in color in full screen mode. Green, the IQJET is running. Red, the IQJET has a malfunction. Blue, the IQJET is paused. So even from a distance, any significant development can be easily recognized. The central menu in the lower display area with only 5 icons is used for general navigation. From here, you can access all relevant key functions and return to the home screen at any time. This ensures that you'll find all relevant content and functions quickly and easily. Print Job Editor was also improved in great detail. Numerous templates and design functions are available. You can create print jobs tailored to your needs in no time at all and run them at the touch of a button. And should you still get stuck, which is unlikely, the tool tips with brief descriptions of the functions will help you. SmartOS offers even more operating reliability with My Display. It allows you to adapt operation precisely to the needs of the respective user. All required settings can be made with just a few clicks, and users only see what they really need to complete the task at hand. For example, change a print job. Everything else is simply hidden. This virtually eliminates the possibility of operating error. Just as important when investing in a coding and marking system is the ease with which it can be integrated into the production environment. Here too, SmartOS has a lot to offer. Numerous available interfaces, including OPC UA and an integrated programmable logic controller, or PLC, make things quick and easy. And when the IQJET is fully connected, you can quickly test everything with the help of the signal monitor, making sure that the wiring and signal integrity are correct. The system can be put into operation faster than any other coding or marking device. Thanks to the IQJET's new bus system-based communication, the print headline is also much more flexible, because modern signaling technology can now be used. This means that much tighter installation radii are possible, so that even the tightest installation environments are no longer a problem. SmartOS makes the IQJET's operation and integration simple, fast, and reliable. But of course, this isn't all the IQJET has to offer. Let's now take a look at the third intelligent assistant. When developing smart efficiency technology, our priority was maximum sustainability. Smart efficiency autonomously ensures that the IQJET's operating costs are reduced to a minimum. This, at the same time, saves resources and protects the environment while ensuring the well-being and health of the user. You're probably wondering how all this is possible. I'll show you now. With the integrated solvent recovery feature, evaporated solvent from the mixing tank and return suction line is condensed and returned to the system. Smart efficiency also saves considerable amounts of solvent thanks to its unique eco mode. When the printer is not in use, the ink circuit closes automatically after an adjustable period of time. No solvent can evaporate and escape into the environment. This is a function that only the IQJET from Leibinger is capable of, as only it can close the ink circuit completely airtight. All in all, smart efficiency reduces solvent consumption by up to 50%. Of course, this results in significantly reduced operating costs. Much less solvent is released into the environment, which improves working conditions and ensures ideal protection of employees' health. Last but not least, this makes the IQJET one of the most environmentally friendly coding and marking systems on the market today. All IQJET components are designed for exceptionally low energy consumption. The intelligent pump management system, whereby the pump is only operated intermittently, plays a key role here. In contrast to conventional printers where the pump runs continuously, with the IQJET, it only switches on briefly. This, of course, reduces the energy consumption of the pump to a minimum while maximizing the durability of the pump. Thanks to intelligent energy management, the IQJET consumes only 36 watts on average. It Conventional printers consume many times more. This makes the IQJET the printer with the lowest energy consumption on the market. Now to our all-new refill system. The new XXL cartridges hold 950 milliliters, delivering a very large supply of ink and solvent. With front access, refilling the printer is faster, easier, and more convenient than ever before, and of course, while the printer is running. The quick loading system also guarantees that the cartridges can't be mixed up. The ink and solvent cartridges can only fit into their respective refill slot. To ensure that this can all be done by anyone without training, an interactive assistant also supports the changeover, guiding the operator step by step through the process. Another new feature is that the cartridges can be reordered via the integrated shop system, yet another convenient benefit in day-to-day operation. Once the cartridges have been inserted, the contents are immediately and completely emptied into the internal storage tanks. This enables us to achieve very long reserve runtimes of up to 48 hours as a rule, enough time to organize the refilling of consumables once the refill message comes up on the display without rushing and risking an interruption in production. When I talk about completely emptying our cartridges, I mean it literally. Unlike most conventional inkjet cartridges, which often have 10% or more left over when they need to be replaced, our XXL cartridges empty down to the last drop. This saves a lot of money. Another important feature, the cartridges can simply be disposed of as non-recyclable waste, rather than costly, expensive, hazardous waste. Smart efficiency not only sustainably reduces the operating costs of the IQJET thanks to the lowest consumption level in the industry, smart efficiency maximizes the operation of the IQJET in terms of environmental and user friendliness. Smart Care also makes a significant contribution to the lowest possible operating costs with maximum reliability. With Smart Care, we can extend the regular maintenance interval of the IQJET to a full 5 years. Yes, this means that you won't have to do any regular maintenance on the IQJET for 5 years. We have achieved this thanks to numerous technical innovations. First and foremost, the Leibinger IQJET's unique hydraulic concept. It is designed so that the components subject to wear are operated as gently as possible. The most reliable diaphragm pumps are used. The IQJET system pressure is generated by means of a pressure tank, so that a permanently running pump is not required. This, of course, increases the service life of the pressure pump many times over. For the entire system, Leibinger uses only highly durable, quality components, most of which are manufactured and extensively tested to micron accuracy in Leibinger's production facilities. To entirely eliminate the need for manual cleaning, we also developed the fully automatic printhead refresh function. It removes all impurities in the print chamber, which can occur, for example, in extreme customer applications or when processing complex ink products. And yes, it's fully automated at the push of a button. A jet of solvent is directed from the ink return line into the printhead by means of pump pressure. The IQ Print gutter moves up and down and removes any impurities that may be present in the print chamber with pinpoint accuracy, everywhere they could occur. After the refresh, the print chamber is completely and quickly dried via a drying function, and everything is ready to go again. All this without a single manual step. The printhead only has to be inserted into the docking station provided. At no time does the operator come into contact with solvent. No conventional CIJ printer in the world can achieve this. And when it's finally time for maintenance, after 5 years no less, the customer can, if they so wish, carry it out themselves with a few simple steps and full assistance. Do-it-yourself maintenance is what I'm talking about. With interactive, animated, step-by-step instructions, the operator sees exactly what he has to do on the display. Child's play, without any training required. You don't even need special tools. This is what Leibinger means by maintenance friendly. Our customers benefit from 0 waiting times for customer service, full planability, and ultimately an additional plus in terms of production time. 4 intelligent functions, IQ Print, Smart OS, Smart Efficiency, and Smart Care make the IQJET the most reliable, simple, efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective coding and marking system in the industry. It is unquestionably the new benchmark. The IQJET stands for worry-free printing at all times and is ideal for virtually all coding and marking tasks. The new IQJET, intelligence on point.